come along with me for a day in my life as a 36-year-old cosmetology student.
All right, guys, first client of the day, and you cannot see her whatsoever. I am so sorry about that, but we are just chatting about her hair, her goals, what she is looking to have happen. My favorite question to ask every single person who sits in my chair is, what would make you sad if you left here today, if I did that thing to your hair? Usually it has to do with how long or short the hair winds up being. We determined how long, how short her hair wants to be. She has had a pixie cut before, so she was not scared of losing length, but today we were just gonna do a nice little shape up. I have really been having great success cutting the hair dry, so we're just establishing the length here, making sure we are nice and even and have a great base for the rest of the cut. Now I finished her cut and we went over to the shampoo bowl. I did not get any clips of that, but I shampooed and conditioned her hair, threw in a little bit of the AG recoil product, and now I am just brush styling her hair using the Bounce Curl defining brush. This brush is like a cheat code for curls. I have used it on every single client that has come and sat in my chair at cosmetology school, and oh my lands, it has made organizing people's curl clumps an absolute dream. I'm just kind of talking her through what I'm doing. Sectioning, brushing. Off camera, I applied her stylers. I glazed and scrunched in the AG mousse gel and liquid effects, and now I'm just diffusing her curls, and I can't even with how beautiful her curls are coming together. Can we see the shrinkage and the curl definition? I'm getting thoroughly excited. And this is the final cut and styled result. She was absolutely thrilled, and I was really happy with how this turned out. The shape is absolutely gorgeous. Next client consultation, second person of the day, and yes, you're getting a sneak peek right here. Can we see how tight her curls are? Guys, she had not had a cut in over a year. She had been trimming her hair by herself at home, and needless to say, it's kind of hard to trim your own hair at home and make it really nice and even in the back. She had some serious unevenness in the back of her hair, and we did talk about a lot about how much length we were gonna have to take off in order to even out her cut. She was really not wanting to get her hair cut short. She was really wanting to keep as much length as humanly possible. I totally support her in that, but really want to make sure that she leaves with an even cut. Just for reference, here is a photo of what her hair was looking like from the back before. You see where we're going with this. She wants to keep the length, but we have got to get a nice even shape. Again, I like to cut her hair dry, and I did everything in my power to maintain as much length as possible while trimming off only the dead ends and giving her an absolutely stunning shape. Once we got her shampooed and conditioned, I took her back to the chair and applied the AG recoil to her hair, and now it is time for the magic of brush styling. Again, same brush styling technique and routine as I use on every single client, brushing through, explaining what I'm doing, organizing her curl clumps, and giving her the knowledge she needs to be able to replicate what I did in the chair at home. Then I glazed and scrunched in the AG mousse gel and liquid effects to her hair, giving her hair a nice scrunch and pulse to make sure that that product is evenly distributed. Then we did a double diffusing technique. I used my Extava Black Orchid to scoop her curls, and then the Lathan diffuser to hover diffuse all around her hair. This really helps make sure that I get everybody's hair dry before they leave. And this is what her curls were looking like once we scrunched out the crunch and fluffed her hair. She was so happy with how her hair turned out. I did style her hair for maximum shrinkage and diffused it for maximum shrinkage. So this is the absolute shortest her hair will be. Man, that was fun, cutting some curls that were in the 3B, 3C category, the amount of spring those curls had was absolutely mind-boggling, and now she has a much fresher slate to continue her hair growth journey.
And there you have it, guys. There are the two lovely clients that allowed me to give them a curly haircut. What do we think? That may have been my favorite day thus far in cosmetology school, and I recorded it. Did I record it well? No, but I tried. I will absolutely be getting more comfortable with filming myself while also showing a haircut. That was my first stab at it. Thank you so much for sticking through the entire video. I am getting so close to being done with cosmetology school. I will graduate in December, and my goal and my hope is to have my space up and going by the end of January 2026. Maybe even before then, but we will absolutely see. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. It really does help me out, and I greatly appreciate it. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! And if you're wondering what's in my hair right now, I played around with that new Hair Story gel that my friend Allison Lupo simply will not stop raving about. This is the end of the day. It's doing really good. My hair is so lightweight feeling. I thought it was gonna be heavy, but as the day's gone on, my hair has felt more and more lightweight in the absolute best way. Anyway, I'll see you later.